Hi, my name is Ashley Stewart, and I'm going to do my presentation on the book Wonder by R.J. Palacio. This book is made for 4th to 7th graders, but really it's good for all ages. I would recommend it to anyone. Um, so this story is about a boy named August, or Augie Pullman. He was born with severe cranial facial abnormality, and he is going into the 5th grade this year. Previously, he's always been homeschooled because he's had so many different surgeries just to improve the quality of his life. So he's just always been in and out of the hospital, and it was just easier for them to homeschool him. But this year, his mom feels like she might not be able to teach him as well as the school could, and he's not getting any more surgeries for a while, so they decide to send him to school. So basically, the rest of the book just follows him through his 5th grade year and the different struggles that he has and the friends that he makes. Um, and really, it's just a message of the importance of being kind. So this book will make you laugh and cry, and it just has amazing messages. It's actually told in the perspective of multiple different people. There's Augie, his friend, his sister, and just a few other people that come in throughout the story and just their experiences of interacting with Augie and just their life in general. Um, and throughout all these different perspectives, you can see that we all have struggles, and you really never know why somebody acts the way that they do or is the way that they are, unless you're them and you know everything that they're going through. This book is definitely a good contemporary realistic fiction because all kids are going to come across somebody in their life that may not be what they consider normal, or maybe they themselves are different. And this book just really does a good job of showing that we're all the same on the inside and we all deserve kindness, and it doesn't really matter what we look like or that we're different, we're just all the same inside. Um, this book, I just really love the message that life can be hard for anyone and everyone deserves kindness. And there's really no reason not to be kind. And also that different isn't bad. I mean, we're all the same, and just because you might seem different, it's not a bad thing. I just really think that this is a good message for kids and adults. Um, this book has actually inspired a Choose Kind campaign. Um, I love that this book talks about kindness because I think it's something that should be talked about more, and just how important it is because you can really make or break someone with showing kindness. So I just wanted to read a few quotes from the book that are my favorite. When given the choice between being right or being kind, choose kind. I think there should be a rule that everyone in the world should get a standing ovation at least once in their lives. Kinder than is necessary, because it is not enough to be kind. One should be kinder than needed. It is not enough to be friendly. You have to be a friend. This book is honestly just full of good quotes and good messages that I think kids need to hear and even adults need to hear. So I really recommend that you read this book and read it to your kids or anybody in your life, honestly. It is a great message.